So example number 3 reads, a ladder 20 feet long leans against a vertical wall. If the top slides downward at the rate of 2 feet per second, find how fast the lower end is moving when it is 16 feet from the wall. Alright. So, what are the things that are constant and what are changing? Okay. So, the constant, the one that is constant is the length of the ladder, no? 20 feet, right? And then what is changing is, because if it slides, definitely, ang mangyayari sa ladder natin, let's say uh, diba, if it slides down, no, let's say it slid hanggang dito, will end up at a different, pangit ng ladder ko. Diba? Let's say, yan. Let's say it went up to that, no? So the question is, how fast is it changing from this is dy over dt, and then this is your dx over dt, right? So the question is, what is dx over dt? Because you were given dy over dt, no? So what's changing is x and y, basically. So you were given dy over dt as negative 2 feet per second. Why is it negative? Because it goes downward, no? So decreasing, y is decreasing over time, basically. That's why it's negative. Yeah? Alright, so where are we going to start? We can see that it's a triangle. So, and more specifically, it's a right triangle. So what are we going to use to get a relationship? We'll use the Pythagorean theorem. Alright, so we have the hypotenuse as 20, and then we have x and y as the legs. So c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So this will be our equation number 1. Okay? So we can derive equation number 1. So this will give us 0 is equal to 2x dx over dt plus 2y dy over dt. We have a value of dy, which is negative 2. Yeah? But before that, we can just simply divide both sides by 2 pala. So we can just simplify it to x dx over dt plus y dy over dt. This will be our equation number 2. No? So we can combine 1 and 2, or before combining, let's just use ayan. It says here x is 16 pala. Okay. It says there that the ladder is 16 feet from the wall. So we can use equation number 1, and substitute x as 16 feet. Alright? So equation number 1 will become 20 squared is equal to 16 squared plus y squared. So what will be our y squared? It will be 20 squared minus 16 squared. Y is equal to the square root of 20 squared. Sorry, let's write it properly. Alright, and when you solve for y, you'll get 12 feet. No? With that, use 12 feet and substitute it Using equation number 2, we get 0x dy over dt plus x dx over dt plus y dy over dt. We know that y is equal to 12 when x is 16. So 0 is equal to 16 dx over dt, and then y is 12 when x is 16, and then dy over dt is negative 2. Simplifying this, no, we just subtract 12 times negative 12 on both sides. We'll get 16 dx over dt. Negative times negative, it becomes positive 24. Divide both sides by 16. You'll get dx over dt is equal to 24 over 16, or when you simplify, it would be 3 over 2 feet per second. So the ladder is moving to the left at 3 halves foot per second.